Adding a frame to your video in CapCut is a simple way to enhance its visual appeal. Here is how to do it. First, open your project in CapCut and import your video into the timeline. Now drag the video to the timeline like this. Once you drag it, click on the video and go on the right hand side and click on Canvas. Here you will see a drop down menu. Click on it. Now select color, click on it. From here, select the color you want to add to your frame. Let us select this green one. Now once you select it, click on the video again and right click on it. Now compound clip. Click on create compound clip. This will create a compound clip of it. Now decrease the scale 64%. Once you decrease it, again click on the compound clip and click on edit. Click on crop ratio. Here, crop the video like this. Just it like this, and once you are done, click on confirm. Now preview the video, and that's it. Your frame has been added just like this. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.